Please stand by for an important message. The United States Secret Service along with the President have issued a civil danger warning for the following states: Iowa, Minnesota, Missouri, Wisconsin, and Illinois. If you live in any of these states, immediately shelter in place. In case of a complete lockdown, prepare food and water that could last up to 3 days, medication that may be needed, and a portable radio. If you live in the surrounding states, prepare to shelter in place. A dangerous person by the name of Pablo has escaped his prison. He is armed and dangerous and his location is unknown. He was last seen wearing a prison uniform. If you see him, please report him to 911 immediately. Do not approach him because he is dangerous. The United States Civil Defense has issued a civil danger warning for your local area. Please stand by for important information. Warning. Warning. Shelter in place immediately. The United States military has issued a statement on the current situation. Pablo has eaten a total of 55,201 people's skeletons. Pablo is very dangerous, and if he sees you, he will eat your bones. Stand by for more information. The United States military.
I'm Pablo and I want to eat your bones.